Hello beautiful SS fam, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing great. Welcome back to SS fam kitchen, and today video we're going to be cooking your delicious jollof rice. The ingredients we're going to be using is we're going to be using tomatoes and we're going to be using bell pepper. This is 10 bell pepper that we have here, washed and cleaned already. I'm going to be blending the red bell pepper plus these onions. So these onions, we have 5 onions here. There is no jollof rice without onions, guys. These 2 garlic cloves, I call it 2 garlic cloves because it's bunch, like just the way it comes. So this is 2 bunch of garlic clove. Ginger. This is the Scotch bonnet pepper. This is soy sauce. This is paprika, and this is all-purpose. This is salt. This is thyme, curry, chicken seasoning, and bouillon seasoning. The cube and bay leaf. This is the crayfish we are going to be using. Tin tomato I'm going to be using is Derrican. And this is how I measure the rice. 12 cups of rice. This is the chicken I'm going to be using. This is the goat meat stock we are going to be using. This is going to take the jollof rice to another dimension. If you want to know how I made this super delicious, mouth-watering, your malicious, what best jollof rice? Haha! Guys, I'm giving all this name because it tastes so amazing. It tastes super delicious. Keep watching, guys. So guys, you know what is already blended here because I showed you guys the combination. And what I did was blend it without water because we don't need water to blend the red bell pepper and tomato and onions and Scotch bonnet pepper with garlic and ginger. That's the combo that we have here. So you see, I blended it with olive oil. Now we're going to be pouring it inside our pot. So let's do that right now. Set it on medium heat and you keep monitoring it, you keep turning it until it is properly dried. I want it is properly cooked, not even cooked, like dry to an extent. This chicken is fully washed and drained. So no blood or anything, it's clean. So I just pour it in like so. Then introduce my onions. I'm not going to be adding water. Then introduce my soy sauce. Introduce my salt. Season your food according to the quantity. That is the paprika. Then this is all-purpose seasoning. And this is the thyme. This is the curry powder, bouillon powder, Maggi seasoning, or 1 teaspoon. This is the bay leaf I'm going to be using. So I'll just put 4 like so. This is 2 Maggi cube. Oh, it's kind of strong. We'll just put it like that. I'm going to grate in my ginger and garlic. So I'm going to grate in this 4 garlic cloves. So now, give it a stir so that all the ingredients can marinate together. This is how the bell pepper combo is looking. It's dried enough like this for me because I don't want it to be super dry. You see, the down of the pot is not burnt. So I've off my gas now. That one is ready. So let's check our meat. So the chicken released its natural juice. I didn't add water and I don't intend to add any water. So now, as you can see, the chicken is well cooked too. So we'll start frying it or grilling it now. Guys, I'm going to be putting it in the oven right now. I'll just set it for 3. For the rice, I'm going to turn it into a bigger bowl. Salt. So I'm going to be washing it with salt like so. I'll put a little bit of water, not so much water. And go. This will help reduce the starch. You can see by washing it with salt, you see, you can even see all the whiteness, all the starch is going off. That's how you need to wash rice. If you ever feel like reducing the starch from your rice, just add salt, a bit of water, and keep going like so. So now, add more. We're going to leave it a little bit. When your rice is looking like this, looking clean, see that the water that is coming out is now plain white. This is how you know that your rice is clean. Now, I'm going to drain this water out, just like that. Go ahead and pour my boiled water, just like this. I don't want it to retain the water. So, just like that. So now you allow it to drain properly. Now our rice is washed. So let the cooking continue. Now put your salt. I'm going to be putting my garlic clove. So guys, you see the way it's looking? It's looking translucent. Now I'm going to throw in my bay leaf. Then throw in 4 cubes, pour in my crayfish, like turn in my mixture, just like that. Did you hear that sizzle? Yes, there. Oh my God, look at that gorgeousness. It's so beautiful. So we're not just going to stop there. Now I'm going to introduce my tin tomato. The tin tomato is in. Give it a stir. I'm going to be adding the remaining of my soy sauce. Then add my curry powder. Keep stirring, if not it will keep splashing. My all-purpose bouillon powder. A little bit of thyme. I'm going to use the whole of my curry powder because what I'm cooking is much. You must season your food to taste. So keep stirring like that. So guys, let's take out the... Whoa, look at that. This goat meat stock will take the rice to another dimension. So give it a stir. That's my goat meat stock. So my chicken stock, all I did was filter it because I did not want all this in the rice, so that will make it burnt. So I just poured the chicken stock like that. So I just rinse out the pot and all that. This is the extra water that I'm going to be adding. And give it a stir. Then cover and allow to boil. Out. You see that? You must make sure it's properly cooked. Now that it's well cooked, you see all the oil is up. Now we're going to take out some of the oil, then give it a stir. You must make sure this is properly cooked before you introduce the rice. And where the trick is in this rice is, if you are not sure if your sauce is too much, all you need to do is get an extra plate and take some out. So that's what we're going to be doing. Then I'm just going to reduce the oil because I don't like excess oil when I cook my jollof rice. So reduce the oil, and this oil is not going to be wasted though. I'm not going to waste the oil. I can use it to cook another jollof rice another day, or cook my stew. So as you can see, I reduced the oil using our rice. So now you're going to stir. Give it a stir. You don't need much water to cook your rice. At this junction, you must have tasted for salt, for spice, for pepper, for everything. Bobo, a little bit of salt. Just like so. Also, a little bit of water. So yeah. Just put enough water that is enough for you to cook the rice. And give it a stir. Put a parchment paper. It's the heat that cook the food, so I need more heat in it. Then put the lid. Now it's secure. So when next we open it, this rice is going to be properly cooked. So let's check it out, guys. Ooh. Your fat and go in like so. Then try your rice. Okay. Now you reduce your gas now. Okay. Finally give it a perfect stir. Oh, look at that. Onions. One, just party style. If you have not subscribed by now, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, like, and share. Well, great. Look at it, guys. This is a great chicken. This is how it's looking. Yummy. This is the finished look. SS fam, thank you for always watching our video. Peace. We out. How's the net digging in it? She's coming again. She's coming again.